Well, I finally got it working. A while back, I created a Python program that would project this lovely star map on an e-ink display, an electronic ink display with a Raspberry Pi. This is a Raspberry Pi 02 attached on the back. And I showed it to some friends in my astronomy circles, and they said, I want to have this too. I want to have this on my wall. And I can imagine. Thing is, there was quite a bit of installing to do before I got this working. So I was thinking, am I going to ask them to enlarge the swap space on the Raspberry Pi, install UV, sync, download from GitHub, you do do the syncing, make sure that everything is installed. I was thinking, I need somehow a way for people to run this with one command, that it's all installed by itself. So I asked ChatGPT for advice, and ChatGPT said use PyInstaller, and that turned out not to be a great way because there are so many dependencies in the package that I used to create these star plots that PyInstaller couldn't find them all, and it's cost me about 2 weeks before I found out this is not going to work. So now I've got the solution. I got a .deb file that you can download from my GitHub page. So you can run this on the Raspberry Pi, and then you can run the command inky starmap with the latitude and longitude and direction, and then it will plot this. So suppose you want to do this yourself. What do you need? Well, first you need an electronic ink display. I got an inky impression. It's a 13.3 inch. You don't need such a large one because there are also versions like this 7.3 inch, and there are even smaller ones, although I doubt that you still can see the stars very well on that size. So then you need a Raspberry Pi 02, or well, you need a Raspberry Pi. I have tested all this on my Raspberry Pi 02s. If you use one and you're not very good with soldering, choose one with a header installed on it. Then you just can click on it. There's a Raspberry Pi on the ink display, add the power cable, and you're off to the races. Then you need to make sure you can SSH into the Raspberry Pi. Some computer knowledge is necessary. It is a Linux machine, basically, what you get here. You can then run my .deb file. Instructions are on the GitHub page, and then you can run the inky star map command with the latitude, longitude, and direction, and then this should start flickering and then show the star map of your location. So it's been a while, but I finally got it, and I'm really happy about it, and I'm really happy that I can share you all this solution. So have fun and tell me if it worked for you. See you next time.